Hey there, welcome to the Review Matrix, your no-fluff, results-driven review channel. I break down what actually works so you can skip the hype, avoid wasting money, and make smarter buying decisions. Let's get real for a second. If you like building things, you already know the worst part of woodworking isn't the cutting or the sanding. It's bad plans. You find a picture of a project you love, you buy the lumber, clear your weekend, and start building. Then, by step 4, you realize a measurement is missing, the diagrams don't make sense, and you just wasted $60 on a bad cut. You end up blaming yourself, but it's not your fault. The plan was just garbage. That is exactly the problem TedsWoodworking claims to solve. It's a massive digital library created by Ted McGrath that gives you over 16,000 tested woodworking plans. Today, we are going to see if it actually lives up to the hype. So, what is TedsWoodworking and how does it actually work? Simply put, it is the largest, most organized database of woodworking projects on the internet. But here is the real secret. These aren't just pretty pictures or rough drafts. Ted and his team of 12 full-time woodworkers actually build every single project in their own shop before they publish the plan. If a measurement is off by a fraction of an inch, they catch it in their shop, not yours. They rewrite the confusing steps so you get a foolproof step-by-step blueprint that actually makes sense. When you get inside, it's not just a messy zip file. It's a fully searchable library. Here's exactly what you get. 16,000 plus step-by-step plans, from small crafts and birdhouses to full outdoor decks and custom furniture, exact materials and cut lists. You get a shopping list down to the last screw. You buy exactly what you need. No more extra trips to the hardware store. Multi-angle schematics. You get detailed 3D drawings of every joint so there is no guesswork. A DWG/C. EAD plan viewer. Free software to edit or modify any plan to fit your specific space. 150 premium video tutorials. Step-by-step videos teaching you advanced techniques and joinery. When you use TedsWoodworking, you are going to notice a few massive changes in how you build. Stop wasting money. Because you get exact cut lists, you will never overbuy lumber or ruin expensive wood again. The plans pay for themselves on your first project. Finish projects faster. No more getting stuck on step 5. You just follow the instructions from A to Z and get it done in a single weekend. Build with basic tools. You don't need a $5,000 garage setup. Most of these plans only require a table saw, a drill, clamps, and a sander. Turn it into a business. With the included How to Start a Woodworking Business guide, you can easily build these projects and sell them locally for a massive profit. Using this system is incredibly easy. Let's say your wife wants a new coffee table. You log into the members area, type coffee table into the search bar, and pick from dozens of options. You filter by your skill level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. You print out the materials list, drive to the lumberyard, buy exactly what is on the paper, and come home. Then, just follow the step-by-step instructions. It's like building Lego for adults. Now, I know buying digital products can feel risky, but Ted takes all the risk off your shoulders. TedsWoodworking comes with a rock-solid, 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If you log in and decide the plans aren't detailed enough, or if you just don't like the layout, you just send an email and get all your money back. No questions asked. If you are tired of wasting weekends on bad plans and want to finally build the projects you've been dreaming about, you need to grab this. Right now, Ted is offering a one-time lifetime fee of just $67. But because his team is growing, they are soon moving to a $39 per month subscription model. If you want to lock in all 16,000 plans, plus free monthly updates for life with 0 recurring fees, click the official link in the descriptions below right now to secure the $67 deal before it expires. Thanks for watching the Review Matrix. See you in the next one.